Can you see yourself in the 2021 Nissan Maxima? Drive into the future in comfort and confidence in this well-equipped all-electric Leaf. This stylish four-door hatchback delivers earth-friendly efficiency, driver assist safety tech, cutting-edge connectivity, and a roomy interior with plush seating. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, backup camera, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, woodgrain interior trim, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Aggressively sporty yet comfortably confident, that's the Maxima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.